Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Thomas, and I'm here today with this pretty nice 1963 Cadillac convertible that my dad found in California in 2007 or 2008, and he's owned it since. We did a restoration on this car, a body off restoration, and I do have some photos to prove that. In 2017 it was completed and put back together to original specs. Original white car, black leather interior, okay, white walls. Just a beautiful restoration that was done on this Cadillac. It was a rust-free car from the beginning. Came out of Beverly Hills in 2008. And now it's been here in Addison, Illinois, now available for sale. It's a 1963 convertible. Paint job is really nice on the car. No Bondo, no patch panels. Chrome has been redone. Okay, you can see the shine. Beautiful grille, no cracks in it whatsoever. Nice stainless steel trim, all original throughout the car, and everything works. And I'll go through that with you. Tires, wheels, great condition. Wipers, stainless, glass, all nice. Mirror, door handles, beautiful interior, which we'll go over. All the lights function. The car is running right now. Power top. This is for my camera. It's a power white top. Top does need a little assist going up, but easily it goes down. Beautiful redone interior. All the seat belts are intact there. Okay, all the windows function as they should. Okay. See the passenger window. There's the back window. Okay. Here's the driver's rear window here. Okay. So everything functions really nice, and all the gaps are good on the car. Beautiful steering wheel, horn functions. Okay, the heat works, the frost works as well. All the exterior lights. Here's the switch here for the convertible top. There's your wipers. Okay. AM FM radio, factory works. Clock not working. All your gauges here work. Showing 61,810 miles, and now that it's spring summer here, April 2020 in Addison, Illinois, we are going to be using the car for cruising around. All your power stuff here, power seats, all function. Here's your side vent window, and it all works there as well. Okay, I'll show you guys the engine and the trunk now. All right, so we'll check out the trunk area here. Beautiful carpeted trunk. There's your jacking instructions, spare tire. Those are your original seat belts for the front. Beautiful. Beautiful for summer of 2020. All right, so here's the 390 original numbers matching Cadillac motor. Tons of torque. Duralast battery. No overheating issues. This all has been gone through, done correctly. Power steering, power brakes. No disappointments, very reliable. And you know what? It's simply beautiful. How do you disagree with me? Look at this piece of artwork. Okay, beautiful. Love this thing. Wait till we go for a ride. It's a pleasure to drive. All comfort features as well. Man, whenever I drive this thing, I feel like I should be taking this down to Miami, man. This is where she belongs. We'll shut off the radio for now. Shifts excellent through the transmission. It's got plenty of torque. And it drives down the road really nice and straight. We got the top down right now. There's not that much wind, noise, nor, to be honest with you, wind coming through the cockpit here. It's really, really nice. Pleasure to drive. Cadillac, way ahead of its time, all the time. She's ready for the next owners. We'll cut through this shopping mall here. Turn signals are functioning. I don't know if you can see it in the video there, but right there's a turn signal. I don't know if you can see it flashing, but it is. Really cool feature on the 63s. Horn. Beautiful day here in Addison, Illinois. If you guys are looking to have this thing delivered to your doorstep, just send me your zip code. Text me, call me. I'll put my number at the end of the video. Get you guys a quote. It is a big car, so measure your garage. Okay. Make sure it fits. Worldwide shipping, not a problem. I got connections on the East Coast, West Coast ports, and I can assist with all that. If the car needs to go overseas, I've done that in the past many times. Financing, we do 100% on the car. Go to lightstream.com. They're one of the best. Fill out the application. They approve you in about 15 minutes. The next day, you got the money in your account. And make sure you call me for the VIN number to get your insurance going. You're going to have to do that before you take possession of the car. Drives like a Cadillac. Very smooth. Call me, text me. My number is 847-848-1850. Thank you.